Sharanagati. Story time.
Long back, there is a beautiful garden with variety of plants and flowers. Every day, Krishna would visit the garden and say to all the plants, "I love you." The plants were very happy and responded saying, "Krishna, we love you too." One day, Krishna rushed quickly into the garden, very alarmed. He went to the bamboo plant and the bamboo plant asked, "Krishna, what's wrong?" Krishna said, "I have something to ask you, but it is very difficult." The bamboo said, "Tell me, if I can, I will give it to you." So Krishna said, "I need your life. I need to cut you." The bamboo thought for a while and then said, "You don't have any other choice? You don't have any other way?" Krishna said, "No, no other way." And it said, "Okay," and gave himself up. So Krishna cut the bamboo and made holes in it, and each time he carved the holes, the bamboo was crying in pain. Krishna made a beautiful flute out of it, and this flute was with him all the time. 24 hours a day it was with Krishna. Even the gopis were jealous of the flute. They said, "Look, Krishna is our Lord, but yet we get to spend only some time with him. He wakes up with you, he sleeps with you, all the time you are with him." All the gopis asked the bamboo, "Tell us your secret. What secret do you have that the Lord treasures you so much?" And the bamboo said, "The secret is that I gave myself up, and he did whatever was right for me. In the process, I had to undergo a lot of pain. And the Lord does whatever He wants with me, whenever He wants with me, and however He wants with me. I have just become His instrument." So, this is complete surrender, where God can do whatever He wants with you, whenever He wants, as He wants. Trust Him completely and have faith in Him, and always know that you are in His hands. So, what can go wrong? This is Sharanagati.
If you liked this story, hit that like button, share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe. Thank you for watching.